I want nobody but you. Don't want nobody touching me, baby. Don't want nobody kissing me, baby.
Okay, so I want to start this video off by showing you guys how the hair is currently looking. Last night I decided to go in and curl this hair. This is how my hot glue gun frontal wig turned out. I don't know if you can see the inside. Yeah, I broke out so bad at the end of last year, so like my skin is definitely healing, but it's still struggle world up over here. So I'm gonna give you guys my full coverage light glam makeup look today. This is a look that a lot of you guys requested for me to do, so we're gonna do all that in this video. Again, this hair is from West Kiss Hair, and I will link all the information in the description box, as well as any links if you are interested in purchasing. On my lashes, and I use two of my favorite conjoint foundations, which is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop and the Maybelline SupperStay 24-Hour Wear Foundation. Just mix these two together to get like a nice little full coverage beat on. And I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Concealer and my Colourpop concealer on top of that. So, you know, everything y'all finna get this beat, so continue watching. Gotta have the ignorant hoops. One of the #1 reasons why I find it so hard for me to film makeup videos is because I like to clean up as I go, and child, I just be making a big old mess, and sometimes I don't have time to be cleaning up as I go, and today's one of them days, so the struggle is so real. I'm using, Lord, I think this is an Absolute lip liner. I just know the color is, Lord, I don't know the color. I'm using a dark brown lip liner, okay? Okay. Oh, and I still gotta put highlighter on too. I've noticed about myself lately is I don't like to go too ham on the highlighter, especially when I'm like going to be out in these streets, and today I'm going to be out in these streets, so I don't want to go too ham on the highlighter. I think it's a maturity thing, you know. I just like my highlighter softer, should I say. And my mini me surprised me with this highlighter, and I thought it was so sweet because I didn't have any this is my only, and I didn't have any Juvia's Place highlighters at the time, so I just thought it was so sweet that she actually bought me the Warrior palette too. This the first Warrior palette. This is the only one I have. I actually gotta get 2 when 3 comes out. I've been being like really cautious on what I spend my money on, especially when it comes to makeup. Like, your girl's still buying makeup in these streets, but I don't buy like every release that comes out anymore. It's because it's so unnecessary, and having too much stuff, period, makeup, whatever it is, it just overwhelms me. I'm a little OCD. So yeah, take my powder brush and blend the highlight into my skin, like on the edges where I want it to fade. And this trick like helps keep your highlighter like from being too dramatic. Only part that I really like my highlighter dramatic on is like at the tip of my nose. So like me and Rudolph is like friends, you know, trying to glow like Rudolph. So that's the only area that I don't mind my highlight being like too disrespectful. And I'm actually going to add this highlighter into my inner tear duct as well. So let me talk a little bit about this hair. This hair it's basically my first day wearing it, because yesterday I barely made this unit, and it was really easy for me to make. I didn't get any shedding at first upon making this unit. Now I'm getting a little bit of shedding because when I cut the lace off, I had to like really go in and detail it around my ear area, because this lace is like made to fit all. So if you have a big head, their lace fronts will be perfect for you, or their frontal, should I say, would be perfect for you at West Kids Hair, because they come really large, which I do personally like, because I like to be able to customize my frontal to my hairline. And that's why I always say I notice that I like frontals better when I customize my units, because I notice that customized frontals are so much better than already made frontal wigs. Even though I'm lazy, so I like units that comes already made too, you know. But you know, here, that's neither here nor there. So another thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a little bit of liner to my waterline if I can find it. This is the NYX Wonder Pencil in the shade Medium. Want to see more get ready with me videos like this with like the hair and the makeup, and I want to do some with like the full outfit and everything, but I don't have nobody to film that part for me right now, so we just gonna stick to the makeup and the hair today, okay? This frontal does come custom made, however, not custom made but customized, but I did go in and I did tweeze it some more. I actually feel like the way that their closures, not closures, but frontals come, you really don't have to do too much work to them. And I like that, because I do not like tweezing frontals too much, because I'm always a little bit nervous about that. But I'm playing around with them more. In case I didn't tell you guys in the beginning, I have in 2 bundles of 16 inches and a 14-inch frontal. Yes, I was going to try to squeeze the other bundle in, but it definitely wasn't needed, because the 16-inch bundles are so full. You receive so much hair on the bundles. You can definitely get away with a look like mine's, and it's still full with just 2 bundles and a frontal. I love, 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 love companies who has the option to wear 2 bundles and a frontal like will do, like sis, save that point. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove these clips. And oh yeah, this hair really didn't need the clips either, because this body wave texture holds a curl like nobody's business. I just wanted it to be like a little bit more defined. Okay, I think I got all the pins out. I want to show you guys how the parting is looking. I don't have any powder or anything in it. Let's put some powder. Okay, now I'm just going to finger comb the curls out. Ooh, I just love the way this hair feels. It came like within like 2 to 3 days, so the shipping is really good. I'm gonna link my last video that I did for West Kids hair down below. I love that hair. It was a curly texture, and it was like I had it in like 24 inches or 24 or 26 inches, and it was just disrespectful and bomb. And I had got so many compliments on that hair. So I like the luster on this hair as well. I'm going to use my brush to tame some of these curls. Normally I will go in and add some layers, but I don't think I'm going to do all that today. Probably in the future I will. Like, I don't know how, what way or what direction I curled the hair in the front. That's why I usually like to do that last. I think I'm gonna use a little bit of mousse on the top. I'm not gonna do baby hairs today. I don't think I did baby hairs often on their last frontal unit that I made. Their frontals are bomb. Like, if you're looking for a company that has affordable hair and you want a really nice frontal, I definitely suggest West Kids hair. I'll probably, where's my scissors? Yeah, I'm so unorganized right now. Ciao. Oh, there you go. Just gonna add like a little sideburn piece right here. And I think I want to just do a slight layer right there in the bank area, just slightly, but I'm not going to layer anything else. This will help the curls fall a little bit better. So as you guys can see, I am getting a good amount of shedding, but once again, I had to customize the size of this unit a lot because it is super long. I'm going to give you guys a little 360 shot of how much length, even though this is curled, you're still getting like a good length. I think they're 16 inches. It's definitely true to length, if not a little bit longer. The hair is definitely nice and bouncy. So I want you guys to let me know how you feel about this custom made frontal wig that I made. Have you guys tried West Kids hair? I definitely suggest them because this is the second time I've worked with them, and I definitely can tell the quality is there and the price is right. Okay, so oh yeah, and also let me know how you guys feel about this makeup look. I cannot stop running my fingers through this hair. Ugh, I just love the way it came out. I think this look would have been popping with a red lip. I might have to do this look over with a red lip because I'm like feeling it, and I like these curls. This hair, so freaking gorgeous and perfect. I think this is like the perfect length and style for this season. It's not doing too much, and I feel like this would be good for any age as well, because you know it's like sexy, but you know it's not like doing too much, and I'm here for it. Yes. And y'all see how I'm just running my fingers through it and the curls haven't dropped yet. West Kiss, yes, bitch. Y'all did that. So I will leave all of West Kiss information down below in my description box. Shout out to them for being patient with me and for sponsoring this video. I appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this video, even though I was all over the place, because today's just it's a crazy day. I have a lot going on today. But if you guys enjoyed this video, comment down below, like, and share this video with your friends, family, whomever who likes to be beat. And you know, share that wealth, y'all. Share that wealth. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
You looking too good.